Alright, looks like Taylor's coming around. There we go! And a little one-handed Superman C grab. There comes Vince. Vince just getting the feel for it. They call that the dead sailor. Just getting the feel for the air, the gap between those two jumps. We get about 75 feet between those two jumps. Not a lot of room to jump here at the Indio Arena. Give it up for Vince Morgan right here.
Oh my God.
Indian air. Some of these jumps, he just make them up as we go along. This is going to be a good one right here. I know this. Vince Morgan coming up. Let go of a perfectly good motorcycle. Let's see if these guys can pull some big one-handed Superman seam grabs. Here comes Taylor around. Hits that jump.
Oh.
Nice try. I think that was like one-handed around the world. You know, the time you gotta have to make that bike come across and land just in time. Vince Morgan. Vince wasn't quite sure what he was going to do there. He saw he had a little too much speed on that one. Kind of almost came down to the end of the rim. Here comes Taylor.
If that's like as soon as they actually get down, they start breaking because it's way not up from the
They can't have too much speed coming off that jump. That was a two-handed Superman C grab. Nice extension on Taylor.
Damn.
Vince Morgan with the high desert floater.
Oh my God.
Superman Indian C grab. They want it. The more noise you make, the higher they go. Vince Morgan. Heel click. Yeah, you'd be sitting up there going, yeah, I can do that. No, I don't think so. A little bit of heart attack with a layout. Nice extension on the toes with Taylor Woods.
Yeah.
This was thinking about the cliffhanger. But again, they're coming down off that jump, and they got to make an instant turn to the left. They call that a heart attack. I call that insane, is what I call that. Get up, Taylor. Here comes this. Pulling the heel click. Oh my gosh, I got YMCA playing. Are you kidding me?
Whip, finally.
That's a big whip.
Yeah.
Showing you guys some love as you're coming around.
Oh my God.
I'm not even sure what they call that. That's just insane, is what I say.
Holy crap, man.
Vince Morgan looked like a heart attack back break. And a can. Flipping those legs off to the side of the bike, getting it back underneath and landing it and making that left turn. That's a one-handed can. Again, you've got to have such concentration because you know you got to land that thing and then get back out. Give it up for Taylor Woods. Vince going for the bar hop. Again, man, such tight quarters here at the Indio Arena makes it a little tough. Whoa!
Is it too good? I mean, it's a huge step.
Come on, make some noise for Taylor Woods as he comes by. Vince Morgan pulling the cliffhanger. as he lands it. Taylor Woods with a big old whip.
I'm waiting for a backflip. I'm not even gonna have to. Remember, like 2 years ago they did one.
Vince with the heel click. Here comes Taylor. Whoa, he had a little bar hop there. Got his foot kind of hung up on the bar, but he brought it back down. Give it up for Taylor Woods as he comes by. Morgan now. There goes Taylor Woods. One-handed Superman.
Yeah.
Taylor's over here doing stuff. He's over there in the audience right now. Give it up to Taylor Woods. Vince Morgan. Kids, don't throw your motorcycles on the ground. Mom and Dad will kick your butt.
Yeah.
Give it up for your freestyle boys! Taylor Woods, Vince Morgan. Wow.